Welcome to this session on benefits of GST. In this video, you will learn about the positive impacts of goods and services tax on your business. Let us begin by understanding what goods and services tax is. GST is a comprehensive indirect tax levied on manufacture, sale and consumption of goods as well as services at the national level. The main objective of GST is to facilitate a uniform tax levied on goods and services across the country. Overall, GST has a positive impact on e-commerce. Let us find out how online sellers are benefiting with GST. The biggest advantage of GST is seamless input tax credit across the chain of business, leading to overall reduction in cost of doing business. Wondering what is input tax credit? It is the credit an individual receives from the tax paid on the inputs used in manufacturing the product. So, if there is a 10% tax that you must submit to the government, it will be netted off with the taxes that you have already paid at the time of purchase of goods. Hence, you will have to pay only the balance amount. Due to input credit tax, the sellers are able to competitively price their listings, which helps to attract more customers. The removal of cumbersome paperwork leads to faster movement of goods across states. A seller can conduct business from multiple Flipkart fulfillment centers. UP, Bihar and Uttarakhand are now serviceable due to decrease in number of forms required. Let us understand how input tax credit will impact your final settlement amount. Before the implementation of GST, a seller had to pay service tax, Swachh Bharat cess and Krishi Kalyan cess. Post GST implementation, all indirect taxes have been replaced by one single tax. Goods and services tax, which you are paying to Flipkart, is now eligible for input tax credit. Let us understand the changes with an example. Here's how the present statement looks like. After selecting a date range, you will get this statement details. As per the date range you have selected, the sale amount is 55,25,395 rupees and 12 paise, and the total amount of refund is 16,87,757 rupees and 17 paise. Thus, the total sales amount after deducting refunds will be 38,37,637 rupees and 95 paise. After calculation, service tax is 2,73,728 rupees and 81 paise. Swachh Bharat cess tax is 9,787 rupees and 50 paise, and Krishi Kalyan cess is 9,787 rupees and 50 paise respectively. Total tax is 2,93,303 rupees and 81 paise. After July 1st, 2017, service tax, Swachh Bharat cess and Krishi Kalyan cess have been replaced by goods and service tax, for which a seller can claim input tax credit. Hence, a seller can save an approximate amount of 2,93,303 rupees and 81 paise or 7.7%. As you can see, in pre-GST era, the tax amount paid was not recoverable. Post-GST, you can claim the amount and pass on this benefit to your customers by reducing the price of the products listed on Flipkart. In this video, you have learned how GST is helping to reduce the overall cost of doing business. We strongly recommend you to utilize this opportunity and update the prices of your listings. Thank you for watching this video.